Congratulations on the purchase of your new Tenant Floor Scrubber. With proper use and care, your machine's highly efficient cleaning systems will perform well for many years to come. This operator training video will help you better understand how to prepare your machine for use, scrub your floors, and care for your machine so you get the longest life and best performance from your floor scrubber. Safety. It is the operator's responsibility to operate the machine safely. There are safety labels on your machine to indicate important information you need to be aware of when operating the machine. How the scrubbing systems work. Your machine is designed to effectively clean dirty floors in a single pass. Pressing down on the transport release pedal will lower the scrub head to the working position. As the machine travels forward, the desired amount of cleaning solution is distributed to the floor. The brush and cleaning solution scrub the floor clean. When traveling forward or backward, the squeegee wipes the dirty solution from the floor. The scrub vacuum fan then draws the dirty solution collected by the squeegee and deposits it into the recovery tank. Controls and instrumentation. Pressing the top of the main power switch will turn on the power to the machine. Pressing the bottom will turn it off. The battery charge level indicators show the amount of charge remaining in the battery. When the battery is fully charged, the indicator will be in the green section of the gauge. When the battery is discharged, the indicator will reach the red zone, and the machine will automatically shut down. Recharge the battery at this time. To prolong battery life, do not leave the battery discharged for a lengthy period of time. There are resettable circuit breakers to protect the machine from an electrical overload. If a breaker should trip, allow the system to cool, and then manually reset the circuit breaker by pushing in on the button. If the circuit breaker trips again, or cannot be reset, follow your company's service procedure guidelines to have the system inspected and repaired. The hour meter records the number of total hours the machine has been operating. You can use the hour meter reading to determine when to perform recommended maintenance procedures. The vacuum fan is activated with a switch on the back of the machine. Press the top of the switch to turn on the vacuum fan and the bottom to turn it off. To protect the vacuum motor from potential damage, the cover is equipped with a vacuum shutoff float that will stop water pickup when the recovery tank becomes full. A change in vacuum motor sound will occur when this happens. When scrubbing, view the water pickup from the recovery window. When the water pickup stops or the vacuum motor sound changes, stop scrubbing and empty the recovery tank. Note: the vacuum shutoff float should be inspected and cleaned often. Pressing down on the transport release pedal will lower the scrub head to the working position. Pressing down on the scrub head lift pedal will raise the scrub head to the up and locked position. To adjust the handle position, pull the adjustment lever and position the handle to a comfortable position. When the lever is released, the handle will lock into that position. To start scrubbing, pull either of the start triggers on the handle and push or pull the machine in either direction. Brush information. For best cleaning results, the brush must be in good condition. If a new brush is required, the brush part number is located in the parts manual. To gain access to the scrub head for cleaning and service, remove the solution and recovery tanks. Place the handle in the straight-up position, raise the scrub head off the floor, and turn off the main power switch, and tilt the machine back. Removing and installing the brush. To remove or install a new brush, remove the brush idler plate from the machine. Turn the brush idler plate locking knob counterclockwise and remove the plate. Grasp and pull the brush from the scrub head. Anytime the brush is off of the machine, it is a good idea to clean the scrub head and inspect the vacuum ports for blockage. To install the brush on the machine, push the brush into the brush compartment, connect the slotted end of the brush to the drive hub, connect the idler plate to the brush, reinstall and secure the idler plate. Make sure the idler plate tabs engage the brush base, and that the locking knob is secure by turning the knob clockwise. Replacing the squeegee blades. For best scrubbing solution recovery, the squeegee blades need to be in good condition. To remove the squeegee blades, lift the blade retainer clip and pull the blade from the channel. For easy blade installation, the squeegee blades are color-coded, gray and black, to match the scrub head blade channel. To install the blade, slide each blade into the appropriate channel until the retainer clip engages the blade. The squeegee blade ribs should face away from each other. Before operating your machine, confirm the recovery tank vacuum shutoff float is clean and installed. Check the squeegee blades for wear. Check the brushes for wear. Check the battery meter and charge the batteries if needed. Fill the solution tank with clean water and check the solution filter in the tank. If cleaning detergent is to be used, add the recommended amount. Note: machine damage due to improper detergent usage will void the manufacturer's warranty. Warning: fire or explosion hazard. Never use or pick up flammable liquids or reactive metals. Place the solution tank screen in the solution tank and close the cover. Scrubbing with your machine. Pick up any large debris, plastic wrap or string that may become wrapped around the brushes and sweep the area before scrubbing to help prevent streaking or damage to your machine. Adjust the handle to a comfortable operating height by pulling the handle adjustment lever and releasing the lever to lock the handle into position. Lower the scrub head to the floor by stepping on the transport release pedal. Press the top of the main power switch to turn the power on. Press the top of the vacuum switch to turn the vacuum on. Pull either of the start triggers and push the machine forward or pull the machine backward to apply solution and begin scrubbing. To stop scrubbing, release the triggers and continue to move the machine and pick up all of the solution. When no water is visible in the pickup recovery window, press the bottom of the vacuum switch to turn off the vacuum. Press the transport pedal to raise the scrub head. Press the bottom of the main power switch to stop all power to the machine. Draining and cleaning your machine. After each use, the recovery tank should be drained and cleaned. Transport the machine to the disposal area. Raise the solution and recovery tank's cover.